Ever wondered how to make the perfect vlog? Well, you're certainly not alone. The phenomenon of vlogging has taken the world by storm, and it's not hard to see why. It's a form of expression, a way to share your experiences, thoughts, and insights with a global audience. Whether it's for fun or as a potential career, vlogging has opened up a world of possibilities. There's a type of vlog for every passion and personality. The thrill seekers among us might be drawn to the adrenaline-fueled world of moto vlogging, while the wanderlust-stricken might find their calling in travel vlogging. And for those who love to share their daily life, fashion, food, and home decor, lifestyle vlogging offers a platform to do just that. Vlogging is not just about sharing, it's about connecting, inspiring, and even influencing. But how do you get started? What's the recipe for vlogging success? Stay tuned as we delve deeper into the secrets of successful vlogging. To get started, you'll need a few basic tools. And these tools, well, they're your stepping stones into the world of vlogging. First up, a good camera. Now, you might be thinking about a high-end DSLR or a fancy mirrorless camera, but hold your horses. While these cameras do offer superior quality, they're not the only options. A smartphone with a decent camera can do wonders too, especially when you're just starting out. It's all about how well you utilize what you have. Next in line is a reliable microphone. Audio quality is just as crucial as video quality in vlogging. People need to hear your story clearly to connect with you. You can start with your phone's built-in microphone or invest in an affordable external one. Lapel mics, shotgun mics, or USB microphones, there's a variety out there to suit your needs and budget. Now, let's talk about lighting. Natural light is your best friend, but sometimes it's not enough. A ring light or a softbox can help you maintain consistent lighting in your videos, making them more professional and pleasing to the eye. Last but certainly not least, editing software. This is where you stitch your story together. There are numerous options available, both free and paid. Some popular choices include iMovie, Adobe Premiere Pro, and Final Cut Pro. Start with a simple one and gradually move to more complex software as you get comfortable with the editing process. But here's the thing, even with all the top-notch gear, your vlog won't make an impact unless the content is engaging. The story you tell, the experiences you share, that's what your audience will connect with. So, invest your time and energy in creating quality content. Experiment, learn, and grow. And remember, even the most successful vloggers started with basic equipment. Remember, it's your creativity and story that will set you apart, not your equipment. So go ahead, pick up that camera, start telling your story, and let your journey into the world of vlogging begin. Before hitting the record button, it's crucial to plan your vlog. Just as a chef prepares their ingredients before cooking, or an architect sketches a blueprint before building, creating a vlog calls for a similar level of preparation. Let's delve into why planning your vlog is so important. You wouldn't set off on a road trip without a map, would you? Likewise, you don't want to dive headfirst into vlogging without a clear direction. Planning helps provide that direction, ensuring you don't stray off course or forget key points. It's like having a compass guiding you through the creative process. Firstly, you need to conceptualize your idea. What's the main theme of your vlog? Whether it's travel, lifestyle, or motorbikes, you need a clear and concise idea. This is the foundation of your vlog. It's the seed from which everything else grows. Never underestimate the power of a good idea. It can be the difference between a vlog that's merely okay and one that truly resonates with viewers. Next, research your topic. Don't just scratch the surface, dig deep. What are the trends in your chosen theme? What are people currently interested in? What hasn't been covered much? Understanding your subject inside out not only positions you as an authority, but also helps you create content that's timely, relevant, and engaging. Finally, script your vlog. Now, this doesn't mean you have to write down every single word you're going to say. That could make your vlog feel stiff and rehearsed. Instead, jot down key points you want to cover, anecdotes you want to share, or questions you want to answer. Think of it as a roadmap guiding you from start to finish. Remember, a well-planned vlog doesn't just happen by chance. It's the result of thoughtful preparation and strategic thinking. So, take the time to plan. Your viewers will notice the difference and your content will shine all the brighter for it. A well-planned vlog is a successful vlog. Now that you've planned your vlog, it's time to hit the record button. The act of recording may seem daunting, but fear not. Here are some tips to guide you through this process smoothly. Firstly, your location is key. Choose a quiet place where you won't be interrupted. This allows you to capture clear audio and keeps distractions to a minimum. Whether you're at home, in a studio, or outdoors, ensure your environment contributes positively to your content. Next, lighting is crucial. Good lighting can elevate your vlog from amateur to professional. Natural light is a great choice, but remember, it's not always reliable. Cloudy days or the golden hour, just after sunrise or before sunset, can offer softer, diffused light. If you're indoors, use lamps or invest in affordable ring lights to create a well-lit scene. Play around with your lighting setup until you find what works best for you. Now let's talk about delivery. Speak clearly and confidently. Your voice is the primary tool you have to connect with your audience. Make sure you're easy to understand and your energy level matches the tone of your content. If you're excited, let it show. If you're discussing a serious topic, maintain an appropriate demeanor. Remember, authenticity resonates with viewers. Don't forget about your camera presence. Maintain eye contact with the lens as if you're speaking directly to your audience. This creates a personal connection and makes your vlog more engaging. Lastly, relax. It's okay to make mistakes. If you stumble over your words or something unexpected happens, just take a breath and try again. You can always edit out the bloopers later. Remember, practice makes perfect. Don't be afraid to do multiple takes. Recording a vlog is a skill that improves with practice. Each time you hit that record button, you're one step closer to creating a vlog that resonates with your audience. So go ahead, give it your best shot, and most importantly, have fun with it. Once you've recorded your vlog, the magic happens in the editing process. This is where you breathe life into your footage, shaping it into a story that will captivate your viewers. It's not just about cutting and pasting clips. Editing is an art form in its own right. Firstly, you'll want to cut out any unnecessary footage. These are the bits that don't add anything to your story, like long pauses, awkward silences, or scenes that just didn't pan out the way you planned. Don't be afraid to be ruthless here. Remember, every second counts in the world of vlogging. Your goal is to keep your viewer engaged from start to finish. Next, consider adding some music to your vlog. Music can set the mood, build tension, or simply add a bit of fun to your video. Just make sure you're using royalty-free tunes or you have the necessary rights to the music you choose to avoid any copyright issues down the line. Now, let's talk about text and graphics. These can be a great way to add context, emphasize a point, or simply add a bit of personality to your vlog. You could use text to introduce a new section of your vlog, to share interesting facts, or to add captions or subtitles. Graphics, on the other hand, can be used to illustrate a point, to add a bit of flair to your vlog, or even to create a unique transition between scenes. If you're just starting out, there are plenty of beginner-friendly editing software options to choose from. Programs like iMovie, Windows Movie Maker, or even free online tools can get you started. Once you're comfortable with the basics, you might want to consider investing in more advanced software like Final Cut Pro or Adobe Premiere Pro. Remember, editing is a skill that takes time to master. Don't be discouraged if your first few edits aren't quite what you envisioned. Keep practicing, keep learning, and before you know it, you'll be crafting vlogs that not only tell your story, but also captivate your viewers. A well-edited vlog can make a world of difference in your final product. You've made your vlog, now it's time to share it with the world. Unveiling your masterpiece is an exciting step, but it's also crucial to your vlogging journey. With numerous platforms at your disposal, it's all about putting yourself out there. Social media channels such as Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter are excellent places to start. These platforms enable you to reach a wide audience and engage directly with your viewers. Promoting your vlog isn't just about posting and waiting for views to roll in, it's about fostering a community. Respond to comments, start conversations, show appreciation for your viewers' time and feedback. This engagement helps to build a loyal audience who will eagerly anticipate your next post. Remember, sharing your vlog isn't a one-time event. It's a continuous process of building and nurturing your online presence. So, share your vlog, engage with your viewers, and watch your community grow. Remember, consistency is key. Keep creating, keep sharing, and your audience will grow.